guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's gonna be a little bit challenging for me. Why is this the cutest thing to me? I don't know. Who am I? What am I supposed to say? What are we doing here? So anyway, I have bought some fake flowers and dang nabbit, they were expensive. I feel like this worked. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And welcome to the new art space, the Artsy Studio. I don't know what to call it yet. We've been calling it the studio. If you've got any cool, funny names for this, I've been going with like studio or Artsy Studio. But if you've got anything funny, leave it in the comments. I want to hear it because we need to name this space something. But yeah, if you didn't know, I moved into a house, and it's honestly like one of the biggest steps I've ever taken in my life. We moved in with some friends. If you want to know more, I don't know what channel this video is going to go on, but if it's on my main channel, go subscribe to my vlog channel. You'll hear everything about it. So, and if this is the vlog channel, then hi, what's going on? Thank you for being here. This is just so crazy because I've worked in a few different spaces, including my apartment, which is where I started this entire thing. We started in the living room of my teeny tiny apartment and then moved to some other places, and now we're here in an amazing like studio space. This is basically a garage in a house. That way, like out into the backyard is a freaking river. I could cry. I could literally cry. We got a long way to go to make this kind of the artsy studio, to make it my sort of vibe, our vibe. We got to transform this place. And that's why I kind of wanted to introduce you at the bare bones of it, you know? And I want this to be part of the channel. I want to transform this place with you guys because I get to do this and be here because of you. So I am so grateful, and you guys know that, and I say that all the time, so I'm sorry if that's annoying, but it is the truth. This is what it looks like as we have moved things in. I still don't even have everything, but this is what it looks like here. So I thought what we could get started on doing today is unpacking some of my stuff so that I can kind of get an idea of what I need as far as storage. All right, so let's get started. Alright, so everything is unpacked, and I really need to get some like organizational bits, some like storage things. I mean, everything is out on this like concrete table, which by the way, love. Alright, let's jump into the future for when I have my organizers. Okay, so it's the future, current times. Anyway, so we have the space. Everything that I have as far as art materials and things like that is here now. So I also bought some organizers, some like cubby things and cool things. So we're gonna start clearing off all of this. It'll go straight to your thighs, and then you'll explode. This is what the cubby looks like, so let's get started. I think I can get up there.
Yeah. Oh shit! That was pretty sick. I like that.
Wow! One box. out of 16.
Work ethic!
Get away, poop panels! You know what I'm really proud of is how much I sound like Schmidt sometimes.
Oh my god, that was such a Schmidt thing to say. Get away, poop panels! Can't mallet that high up.
But I just got up here. Woo! That's cool.
It's good.
Hell yeah. Let's do it again on the other side. Okay, so here's the other one. It's not gonna go where I said it was gonna go. It's actually gonna go further, and it's not really gonna be part of the backdrop. Just work with me, okay? We're troubleshooting. We're gonna figure it out. I don't like it there because it's gonna cover a lot of the something that I want to do in the middle. So it's gonna go over in the corner. You're not really gonna see it, but I will show you the organizing of it. So red on the top.
Ooh, this red is called Deception.
Deception. Disgrace. I miss using alcoholics. Miss. How do I only have 3 purples and like 10 reds? Oh, is this green? This looks black.
Has someone never seen the rainbow before?
Okay.
The fan is all here.
Poor Fog, the gray one, has like no home really, no friends.
Oh,
I know.
you see this entire family over there.
Yeah, I guess they are all family.
Give Fog some love, everybody.
Alright, next I've got some of these, and y'all know what these are already. We're going to organize all the glitters that I have in these. So these are like pantry snack organizers. Literally top tier for like baggies of glitter to organize them. We're going to transform this wall. It's going to experience an extreme transformation. Yes, I am wearing a skeleton onesie. I was wearing an actual outfit earlier. Didn't feel right. This feels right. Alright, so all this glitter, it's going in those. Alright, so obviously it is not completely done, but the necessities have been put out and lots of organization has happened. Many things still need to happen. Some spice needs to be tossed around, you know? I gotta toss my artsy spice around this place, but I'm kind of obsessed. I'm so excited to toss that spice around because I think that it's going to be so cool. I have plans for the glitter wall. I'm definitely getting a neon sign for that. This like gray backdrop here, is it saying anything to you? Because to me it is screaming that it needs to be painted. It needs to turn into some kind of mural, some kind of something. So if you have any ideas for what I could paint back here, I have some ideas of my own, but if you have a vision for this, if you think there would be something really cool that I could paint back here, let me know down in the comments. But for the most part, this is the new space, so we're going to be creating out of this space. If you hear drip drops, it's because the garage door is open. Ventilation, if I haven't said that already, is an artist's best friend. I'm so excited. The garage door is open and it's raining. So throughout the however long it's going to take me to spread the spice around, I'm going to stop saying that now. For the next however long this takes me, we're going to transform this space and turn it into, I don't even, you know what you should also comment is names for this place. The artsy something. Get artsy in there. I'll take it. Or the mad woman, mad something, mad artsy garage. Help me. But we're definitely going to be transforming this place way further than what we did in this video. I just wanted you guys to come along for the beginning of it. Like, to go from bringing my stuff in to, you know, the beginning of organizing it and transforming it into whatever you guys are going to name it. Please name it, please. So anyway, I will hopefully be back to making art videos next week. I have something so exciting. I'm so excited to do it. So I will be hopefully back next week with the art videos. I've planned a few weeks out, honestly. So I'll see you next week. Hopefully, cross your fingers. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I'm so excited. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video next week, hopefully. Goodbye.